Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about my 1 month Python course, and today is the day number 19. So let's start. Okay, and as usual, we're gonna start with checking my plan. Okay, here we go. Day number 19. The topic is Introduction to Databases using Python with databases, SQL, MySQL, maybe Postgres as well. And I'm gonna copy this topic and go to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna ask to provide information for this topic from ChatGPT bot. Okay, I'm gonna paste and remove these words. Yeah, and I add extra request and with practical example. So I'm gonna press this green button. Okay, here we go. We are waiting the reply from ChatGPT. Okay, here we go. And I'm gonna zoom it in. Okay, introduction to databases using Python with databases. Databases are a crucial component of modern software applications. They provide a structured way to store and manage large amounts of data efficiently. Python, being a versatile programming language, offers several libraries and frameworks that make it easy to interact with databases. In this introduction, we will explore how to use Python with two popular database systems, SQLite and MySQL, along with practical examples. SQLite is a lightweight, serverless database engine that stores the entire database in a single file. It is widely used for small-scale applications and testing purposes. Python comes with built-in support for SQLite through the SQLite 3 module. I highlight the text. So there is an example with creating a SQLite database and inserting data using Python. Okay, there is we import SQLite module, then connect to the database, create a new file if it doesn't exist by this code. And then we create a cursor object to execute SQL queries. So here we create a table. Then we insert data into the table by this line of code. Then we commit the changes, this code. And then we close the connection by this code. MySQL. MySQL is a popular open source relational database management system. Python provides various libraries to interact with MySQL databases, with the most commonly used one being MySQL Connector Python. Example, connecting to a MySQL database, creating a table, and querying data using Python. So here we import the module, then we connect to the database by this code. Then we create a cursor object, this code. Then we create a table by this line of code. Then we insert data into the table by this code. To commit the changes, we use this code. And query data from the table, we use this code. And close the connection, we use this code. Okay, here we go. These examples demonstrate how to establish a connection, create tables, insert data, and query data from databases using Python with SQLite and MySQL. Remember to install the necessary libraries before running the code. By leveraging the power of Python and its database libraries, you can efficiently work with database, retrieve information, perform data manipulation, and build robust applications that store and retrieve data seamlessly. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and you found some new and interesting information. See you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.